The spark plug cap is a rubber elbow that covers the connection between the spark plug and the ignition coil wire. The rubber cap insulates the high voltage connection. Over time, the cap will harden and crack. This can cause the cap and ignition wire to come free from the plug. In some cases, a cracked cap can allow the electricity to arc to the engine's other components, grounding the ignition out, causing the engine to shut off. Replacing the spark plug cap is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the engine cover. Now I can remove the spark plug cap from the wire. Now I can install the new spark plug cap. I like to apply a little silicone spray to the cap. It'll make it easier to slide the cap over the terminal and onto the wire. I'll spray the silicone into the cap. Don't apply too much or it can make the rubber mushy. I'll dump out the excess and slide the cap over the terminal and onto the wire. And I'll finish by reinstalling the engine cover. And now you can replace the spark plug cap on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.